Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we got a pretty exciting day today, possibly. But first off, we got a few things that I need to do. One of them is wash the CBR, because if you can tell, it is pretty dirty. You can tell right there. Anyway, I gotta find out where I put these keys. I'll be back in 1 second. Yeah, I forgot. I put them in here. No. That's where I usually put my keys. So, anyway, she's locked up. So, we're gonna unlock her and then just take her out and go ahead and give her a spray down. Alright, well, we got the good old CBR parked out there, about to get a wash. And we're gonna say goodbye to Squirrel, the CRF 150F, or CRF 110F, my bad. Sheriff Bo is actually coming to pick this up later today, so that's about the last time you'll see it in this garage. But we're gonna go ahead and get to washing the CBR. Now, like I said, it could be a very fun day today, and reason being is one of my brothers might be picking up a new sports car today. But anyway, I got a sport bike. I have a foam cannon, which is honestly more exciting than a sports car, so those two go together pretty good. Let's go ahead and get it. It's a little windy, and I don't want my camera to get all soapy and wet, and I honestly don't know if my dead cat even works, because this is kind of the first video I've shot with my new microphone. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera away until I finish washing up, and then I'll catch back up with you guys afterwards. Just went ahead and finished washing her up, letting her sit in the sun to dry. Got most of it, but just letting it sit for a little bit. Go ahead and check it out now. Looking clean as can be. And I'm going to do a few car shows on Saturday. Today is Thursday, so I wanted to get her washed up just in case I decided to take the bike. But I don't have anything else planned today. I have oil and an oil filter coming in tomorrow, so I'll be changing that tomorrow. But in the meantime, I guess the only thing to do is wait and see if my brother goes and picks up his car. Alrighty, y'all. It is the next day. As you can see here, I got all my stuff for my oil change, but I'm gonna go ahead and run out and do that. I'm not gonna film any of that, but while I'm waiting on the bike to warm up, I can go ahead and tell you guys about the car. Yeah, like I said, my brother was going to look at a car yesterday, and I'll go ahead and just say what it was because you didn't get it. It was a 2017 Camaro SS, and it was a really nice car. I went with him 2 days ago to look at it, and I was there to test drive or take his car back if he bought it. He didn't end up buying it that day, and he went back the next day because he was planning on getting it the next day. And I guess it threw up some sensor light, so they put a new sensor in and they had to drive it 100 miles to clear it. And while they were driving at 100 miles, the power steering went out. So needless to say, he didn't get that car, and now he's on the look for something else. But anyway, I just wanted to put that out there. He did not get that car, and I'm gonna go ahead and change the oil now, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as that's done. Oh, she's all done. Yeah, made a pretty big mess, but everything's good to go. Now the only thing I gotta tackle is a new front tire, because this one is cooked, as you can tell, which I have right here. I just don't have the attachment for the forks. So I think this Sunday, me and Bo in our garage are gonna ghetto rig some stuff and try to get a new front tire on the CBR. Alright, anyway, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Did what I had to do today. Brother wasn't able to get the car, so I'm sorry you guys couldn't see that, but he will be getting one sometime soon, and then you guys will see it. But like I said, we're rounding that 1,000 sub marker. We're only 22 away as we're recording this video, so if you guys aren't already subbed, please consider subscribing to help me hit that marker. And thank you for watching, and until the next video, I'm out. Peace.